How to log into your TD credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to log into your TD credit card account online, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just simply searching for TD credit card login, and once you're searching for that, just click on the second link which appears over here, that is of the official website of td.com, and from over here you can just tap on this login or sign in option at the top right corner of your navigation bar and just choose accordingly if you're trying to log into your online banking or TD Wealth or any other account if you have one. So since I'm trying to show you from an example as an online banking account, I could simply tap on that and just provide my username as well as your password. So make sure to do that, and while entering the details, just make sure that you have selected or entered the correct login credentials, and you might as well check this box that is remember me if you want your browser to remember you next time you log in with the same login credentials, and just tap on login button over here. And if you ever forget your username or password, you can always tap on this link below down over here to successfully reset them as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.